Triton Godspeed. Place face down and round effect. Reveal it any time and kill one card and opponent's recruits. Move all cards in that row with the same value of the killed card to your loyalist. Opponent may choose one card in neutral area and move to loyalist. So, I've had him on the board for a couple of turns because I've been setting up this nice play right here that we're going to see. So, it's my turn to go. So, I'm going to start my starting card with 5. So, we're going to take this 5 here. I'm going to move this 7 up and then -1 on that. And so I'll do my draw. And then I will activate Triton Godspeed. And so we're going to kill one card in opponent's recruits. I'm going to kill this green 7. And then it says move all cards in the row of the same value, which is 7 of the killed card, to your loyalist. So then I'm going to take these 2 7s over to my loyalist. And then opponent can choose one card in the neutral area and move to a loyalist. So they'll probably take this 4 because that gives them another draw for their starting turn. Oh wow, 2 negatives. All right, and that's Triton Godspeed.